So in today's video, I'll be giving Ghanaian praise bassline pattern you can use as a beginner. Okay, so if you're interested and you want to use that bassline as an exercise so that you can use it to develop to the next level, this is the right video for you. Okay, before we start the breakdown, I do private class lesson. If you're interested, you see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link to take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay, so grab your bass and let's begin with the lesson. Master it very well, and I'll also leave the link of the song for you to download so that when you are free you can still be practicing it. Okay, so let's look at the first bassline pattern. Very easy. Go. So with this bass line, you're using two notes. Intiora do so. When I started learning keyboard, this was the first bass line I was using. Do so, do so. You understand? So you can also practice with this on bass. Okay, just two notes. When you know the progression, you can use this, and you can use this to any praise song. Okay, if you're a beginner. Okay, so Intiora. So Intiora do so da 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 na na. You understand? So this pattern is very simple. Just two notes. Do so fa do so re do. Okay, so how to calculate this two note is when you start from the root note, count 5 notes, starting from the 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is where you be playing the second note. So first note, second note. So any root note you are, let's say 4, count 5 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You understand? Okay, do that to every root note. Your 3, it will end on 7. So now what you need to know is the song progression. Intiora da da. Okay, and the other way you can play Intiora is Intiora. So do so re so then to your la mi re la so re do. Okay, so my la 5 note 1 2 3 4 5. So it ends on your mi, your 2 2 3 4 5 6. So this is where you need to learn your modes very well. Okay, so where you need to master very well is Intiora da na 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 na. Okay, so you need to master that progression very well. When you understand the pattern, then you can move along with the with a 2 note bassline pattern. Okay, so now let's check on the second groove. Go. note you pluck it 2 times. Then okay, 1 1 5 1 1, and the octave you pluck it 2 times. Okay. So oh say yeah, oh say yeah. So to your 5 is 5 2 5 5 5 2 5. Oh say yeah. Back to your 1. Oh say yeah. 1 1 5 1 1. Say 4 6 2 to your 5. 2 3 4 5. Da-da. Oh say yeah. Oh say yeah, oh say yeah, oh say yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. You understand? Okay. So Etiora 6 2 5 1 5. Da, 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 da. So you can use that bass line to this progression. Ora, da, da, da. Okay, so 1 1 5 1 1 5 1 1 5 1 1 to your 6 2 2 6 2 2 to your 5 1 1 5 1 1 5 1 da 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 da. Oh say yeah, oh say yeah. Just simple like that. So practice this with the first one and add the second one to it, just like this. Just like this. Okay. Now the second one. Okay, so what I didn't teach you in this groove is dun, dun, do, 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 do. So do so la do re la, so ti do so la do re. You understand? So e ti ora giant chang. Okay, so I want you to master this very well and use them in your praise song. Okay, if you're a beginner, this is a very friendly bassline pattern you can use. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.